Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this look right here. I'm completely in love with this look. I think this is one of my favorite looks that I've ever done. I did use a new blending technique to do this, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I actually already did my base off camera, and I just used the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, and to put that on I used this iconic London brush. This is really good to pat down the concealer. Okay, now for today's look I am going to be using a mixture of two different palettes. I'm going to be using the Certified the Affinity palette and then Certified the Dynasty palette. You guys, these palettes are so pretty. Like, let me one of the eyeshadows just fell out, but actually, was that an eyeshadow I was gonna use? No. Okay, so this is what the Dynasty palette looks like. So pretty, and the pigment is amazing. And then here's the Affinity palette, also super gorgeous. It has more like warm tones up here. So yeah, we're just gonna be using these two palettes today. They are a smaller makeup brand, so if you haven't heard about them, you guys should definitely go check them out. She has bomb lashes, bomb palettes, like her products are so good. So we're just gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna take the color Henna right down here, and I'm just gonna apply that with a flat brush like this, because I want to set the shadow down first. I actually tried a new technique yesterday on my eyeshadow, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. So I'm just going to take this purple shade, and I'm going to make sure there's no creases. And I'm going to lay this purple shade down. I mean, wow, you guys, look at that. Look at that. So bomb. And then I'm going to take a Morphe E18 brush, which just looks like this, and I'm going to kind of use this brush to buff out a lot of the colors that I'm going to be laying down. I'm just going to take that brush and put a little bit more purple on it and start to blend this out so it's not such a harsh ass line. Then I'm going to take a Makeup Shack T9 brush, and I'm going to further just buff this out. I'm going to take the color Zara right here. Is that it? Yeah, right here. And I'm going to buff that into the inner corner of the eye. Actually, I'm going to lay it down first, and then I'm going to blend it, which is basically what we're going to be doing for this whole eye look. We're going to be laying colors down and then blending it after. And honestly, that's how you get the best pigmentation, because I see all these UK artists, how they get their look so bright, and it's because they lay the color down first and then they blend it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to take that same brush that we used to blend it and just blend this more. And honestly, this might look crazy, like the process of doing your eyeshadow this way. The end result is so amazing and everything just looks so blended. For my first time trying this technique, that my eyeshadow looked hella crazy and I was like, oh my god, I'm doing it wrong or something. But honestly, you just have to wait till the end result to see like if you really like it, because I promise you everything will come together. I'm gonna take Queen from the Dynasty palette, which is right here, and I'm gonna lay that down. And then I'm gonna take that same blending brush, doing the same thing. I'm gonna take the orange color and then this color. I don't know why it looks so bright. I'm gonna mix those two together, and then I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. gonna take the purple shade again and I'm just gonna reapply it because it kind of got taken away, as you can see, from all the other blending. So we're just gonna lay that down there again. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of yellow over here. And then I'm just gonna go back in one more time and add the colors. And then this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm gonna use this Royal concealer brush. It doesn't have a number, but it says it's just a concealer brush. And actually, to cut the crease, I'm gonna use the Anastasia lip kit, and I'm just gonna use the white shade. And then this is what it should look like so far. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Opal from this shade, from this palette I mean, which is just right here, and I'm gonna lay that over top. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take that purple shade and further blend it into this color and then wing it out, you know? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just finish the other eye off camera, and then I will be back to finish the rest of the... Okay, so now we're moving on to the face, and just to prime, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I just realized this was a primer water. I've been using this to set my makeup. I'm dead. But yeah, I'm just gonna spray this. Oh, you guys, I literally just hit my nail, my thumbnail, hella hard. I'm surprised my whole nail didn't break off. I hit that shit so hard. For foundation, I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is my fave right now. And I usually mix this with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD, but I just ran out of that one, so I'm just gonna use this one alone. This foundation is really good for dry skin, but honestly, if you have oily skin, I wouldn't recommend using this foundation just because it is so thick and hydrating. So it might make your oiliness Yes, oiliness. Why can't I get that worse? I hate getting makeup around my nose piercing. It's such a difficult task because then makeup gets all over the piercing. But I always do it every time. I never fails. I'm really hoping this eye look is picking up how good it is on camera as I'm seeing it in person, because obviously I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial on this camera yet. So I don't really know, like I can see myself, but I can't really see myself, you feel me? So I hope it looks as vibrant and bomb as it does in person, you guys. I'm shook. This is probably my favorite look to date. It looks so good. And honestly, trying out that new technique that I was telling you guys about has helped me so much. And I actually just, my first time trying it was the other day, and I can already see a difference in my eyeshadow. Like my eyeshadow looks so fucking bomb. And I'm not coming to play in 2019, okay bitches? I'm gonna be throwing out looks, hella creative too. I'm feeling the creative vibe, and I'm so excited to just push out colorful, bomb ass looks. So now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Mom, I'm busy.
Okay, well you asked me for something, so sorry.
Damn!
Oh my god, I cannot catch a break right now. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Soleil 1 bronzer on this Wet n Wild brush. Now I'm going to use the Morphe blush trio, and I'm going to use Boss right here. Sorry if I haven't been like talking a lot in this video. I think I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today because I just have not been in a talkative mood at all. But I still really wanted to film this because I tried to film it last night and I literally messed up on one eye 3 times. So at that point I was just like, you know what, let me try again tomorrow. So yeah, I really wanted to film this for you guys, but I don't know what the fuck is up my ass today. I'm just not feeling today. I've been using this highlighter for like a month now and it's really good. It's from the Morphe highlight and contour palette. It's called Beam. I have a huge ass mirror like right in front of me, so I always look in the mirror and see how my highlights are looking that way. Now I'm gonna go do my hair and everything off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and do the outro and the intro. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you loved it and loved the look. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.